let us learn to calculate cubes by using nikhilam sutra for such numbers which are near to working bases. Previous method was for the numbers near to real bases. So let us read the algorithm. Algorithm is absolutely same. Simply there is one difference. We have introduced a new factor, and that factor is R. What is R? R is ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of working base. Ratio of working base to real base. Ratio of working base to real base. For example, if the number is 35, then you have to find nearest base for a given number 35. What is nearest base? That means working base. It is working base is 30 for the given number 35. Now 30 is multiple of 10, therefore real base is 10. We have learnt this concept quite in detail. Working base is 30, real base is 10. Then you have to calculate ratio of working base to real base. That means 30 to 10. That means 3 to 1. This 3 to 1 is called as R, ratio R. And we are going to use this factor in the calculations of left part and middle part. So let us read the algorithm first. Answer is calculated in 3 parts: left part, middle part and right part. Let n is given number, d is its deviation and r is the ratio of working base to real base. Okay, then left part is step number 1 to calculate left part. Left part is n plus 2 times d whole bracket multiplied by r squared, ratio squared. This ratio. What is middle part? 3 times deviation squared multiplied by ratio r, and right part is same, d cubed, deviation cubed. Important note, number of digits in the right part and middle part should be equal to number of zeros in the real base for given number n. So extra digit or digits, if any, should be passed to immediate left part. And if there is deficit number of digits in the right or middle part, then required number of 0 or zeros are written at left side of existing digits. So friends, let us practice these 5 examples. Let us calculate cube of 26. First example is 26 cubed is. Now this time also we are going to obtain an answer in 3 parts: left part, middle part and right part. So let us write those parts here: left part, middle part and right part. Now let us find nearest base for given number 26. What is nearest base for number 26? It is away from real bases like 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So we will have to find nearest working base for the number 26. Which is that working base? It is 30, because 30 is nearest working base for 26. Now what is 30? This is working base, okay? This is working base. What is 30? It is multiple of 10. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So 10 is real base here. Okay, real base is 10. So what is ratio of working base to real base? See, let us calculate the ratio. Ratio of working base to real base. 30 to 10, which is equal to 3:1. So ratio R, capital R is 3:1. We are going to use this ratio while calculating left part and middle part. Now what is deviation? Deviation is subtract nearest base for a given number from given number only. That means 26 minus 30 is equal to minus 4, negative 4. This negative 4 is deviation for this example. Now, we are ready with working base, real base, ratio of working base to real base and deviation. Now let us calculate these three parts. Left part, what is left part? Left part is n plus 2 times d multiplied by r square. N plus 2 times d, put this in bracket, multiplied by r square. R square. What is middle part? Middle part is 3d squared multiplied by r. 3 multiplied by d squared multiplied by r. What is right part? Right part is d cubed. Deviation cubed. See, here n is given number, d is deviation, r is ratio. Ratio of what? Ratio of working base to real base. Now let me draw vertical lines to separate. Yes. Let us calculate right part. What is n? 26. N is 26 plus 2 times d. What is d? Negative 4 multiplied by r square, ratio r square. Okay, what is r? 3 to 1, that means 3. 3 squared. Now let us write middle part. 3 multiplied by or 3 times d squared, deviation squared, that means negative 4 squared multiplied by ratio r, which is 3. Now let us write right part. D cubed, deviation cubed, negative 4 cubed. Now friends, let us calculate it further. 26 plus 2 times negative 4, that means 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 26 minus 8 is 18 multiplied by 3 squared is 9. 3 multiplied by negative 4 squared, that is 3 multiplied by 16. 16 threes are 48 multiplied by 3. Correct? A negative 4 squared is positive 16 and 16 threes are 48. What is right part? Right part is negative 4 cubed. So negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. Okay, this 2 negative 4 gives us positive 16 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 64 minus 64. Okay, so let us write negative 64 minus 64. Now let us calculate further. 18 nines are 162. 162. 48 multiplied by 3. 3 eights are 24. Carry 2. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Correct? Yes. And write negative 64 as it is here. Now friends, we have calculated 3 parts. Now let us balance it. Now let us balance it. Middle part and right part. Okay, how to balance? You know it. See, observe this real base. How many zeros are there in the real base? There is only 1 zero. So we need to retain 1 digit only in the right part and middle part. So let us pass extra digit to its immediate left part. What is extra digit in right part? 6 is extra digit. Okay, left sided digit or digits are considered to be extra digits, and which digit is retained? Units place digit is retained. So let us retain negative 4 and let us pass negative 6. Okay, passing means adding. So let us add -6. Okay, so 14 minus 6 is 8. Answer is 138. This 138 is middle part. So friends, we need to retain one digit only in this part also. We have two extra digits, two higher place digits as extra digits. So let us pass these two extra digits to its immediate left part. So this left part is its immediate left part of middle part. Okay, so let us add this 13, 5, 7 and 1. Yes friends, now we are ready with three parts: left part, middle part and right part. What is left part? 175. What is middle part? 8. What is right part? -4. Okay, so let us write it. 26 cubed is left part 175, middle part 8. See friends, we are neglecting these two digits, that is number 13, because we have already passed it. Don't write it, neglect it. Right, yes, we have written 8 here. What is right part? -4. Now friends, we have got our answer in the form of vinculum number. So let us convert this into normal number. So 26 cubed is right 175 as it is. Now let us convert this into normal number. Okay. Now ekanunena purvena, lessen this 8 by 1. Why this 8? Because this 8 is previous digit to this negative digit. So lessen this 8 by 1, write 7, and this is the only negative digit in this number. So subtract this 4 from 10. Okay, so 10 minus 4 is 6. So we are ready with our final answer. 17,576 is our answer. Second example is 199. Let us calculate cube of 199. So what is nearest base for the given number 199? Clearly it is, this is working base, and it is 200. So 200 is nearest working base for a given number 199. Now 200 is 2 multiple of 100. 2 multiplied by 100. 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. So 100 is real base. 100 is real base. Now what is ratio of working base to real base? Ratio of working base 200 to real base 100 is 2:1. 2:1, that means we write this 2 by 1. 2 upon 1. Okay, which is nothing but 2 only. So we will use this 2. Ratio is 2 and we will use this 2 in the calculations of left part and middle part. Now what is deviation? What is deviation? To calculate deviation, subtract nearest base, working base, from given number 199. So 199 minus 200 is -1, -1. Remember friends, working bases are also called as sub-bases. Let us calculate left part first. N plus 2 times D. What is N? 199. 199 plus 2 times -1 multiplied by R square, that is 2 squared, because R is 2. Ratio R is 2. What is middle part? 3 multiplied by deviation squared, that is -1 squared multiplied by ratio R, which is 2 in this case. What is right part? Deviation cubed. What is deviation? -1 cubed. So let us solve further. 199 plus 2 multiplied by -1, that is 199 minus 2 is 197. 197 multiplied by 2 squared is 4. What is middle part? 3 multiplied by -1 squared, that is 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. What is right part? -1 cubed, that is -1. So let us solve further. 7 4s are 28, write 8, carry 2. 4 9s are 36 plus 2, 38, write 8, carry 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 is 7. So left part is 788, write middle part 6 and right part -1. So friends, we have calculated left part, middle part and right part. Now let us balance it. How to balance it? See, observe real base 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. It means that we need 2 digits in right part and 2 digits in middle part. 2 digits in right part and 2 digits in middle part. How many digits are there in right part and left part? Only 1 digit. 1 digit in right part, 1 digit in middle part. But we want 2 digits. It means, friends, right part is deficient by 1 digit and middle part is deficient by 1 digit. So no problem. Let us write 1 0 at the left side of existing digit in the right part. So we are done with right part. Here also in the middle part there is only 1 digit. So let us write 1 0 at the left side of existing digit 6. Now friends, middle part contains 2 digits and right part contains 2 digits. That means both parts are balanced now. Now let us write answer. 199 cube is equal to, what is left part? 7 8 8. What is middle part? 0 6. What is right part? 0 -1. It means, friends, we have got our answer in the form of vinculum number. So let us convert it in normal form. 199 cube is equal to, now let us write these digits as it is till this 0. Okay, so 7 8 8 0. Now digit previous to negative digit in this number is 0. So let us consider this 6 also. It is 60. So lessen this 60 by 1, you get 5 9. And this is the only negative digit in this number. So subtract this 1 from 10. Charamam dashatah. Subtracting last digit from 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So answer is 7880599. Okay, so friends, this is our answer. Third example is 604. 604. Let us calculate cube. So first of all, find nearest base for a given number 604. Clearly, working base for given number 604 is 600. 600 is 6 multiple of 100. So 100 is real base. What is ratio of working base to real base? It is 600 to 100. That means ratio is 6. Correct. So we are going to use this ratio in the calculations. Now, what is deviation? Deviation is 604 minus nearest working base of a given number 600. That is, it is 4. So 4 is deviation. So the first step is given number n, that is 604 plus 2 times, what is deviation? 4. Okay, multiplied by r square, ratio square. Okay, that is 6 squared. Middle part, 3 multiplied by d squared. What is d? 4. 4 squared. Multiplied by r, that is 6. Now right part is d cubed. What is d? 4. 4 cubed. Now let us solve it. 604 plus 2 4s are 8. That is 612. Correct? Multiplied by 6 squared, that is 36. Next, middle part, 4 squared, that is 16. 16 3s are 48, multiplied by 6, 64. Now let us calculate further. 612 multiplied by 36. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 6 are 36, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Means it is, let us do addition. Correct. 22032. 22032. Okay, now 48 multiplied by 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 24 plus 4, that is 28. Okay, 64 as it is. So friends, we have calculated 3 parts: left part, middle part and right part. Now it is time to balance it. For balancing, let us count number of zeros in the real base. There are 2 zeros, so we need to have 2 digits in right part and middle part. In the right part there are 2 digits, so no need to make any changes with right part. Now in the middle part there are 3 digits. That means this 2 is an extra digit. So let us carry this 2. That means let us pass this 2 to its immediate left part. Passing means adding 2. Okay, this is 2. So 4 3 0 2 2. So we have balanced right part and middle part. So let us write the answer. 604 cubed is left part 22034. This 88. Okay, because we have passed this 2 to its left, and 64 as it is. 64 as it is. So friends, this is our answer. Fourth example is 2997 cubed is, what is nearest working base for the given number 2997? Clearly, working base for a given number is 3000. So 3000 is 3 multiplied by 1000. So this 1000 is real base 1000. What is ratio? Ratio is working base to real base. That means 3000 to 1000. That means ratio is 3 here. This is the ratio. What is deviation? -3. So this -3 is deviation for a given number. So what is left part? See, left part is n is 2997, 2997 plus 2 times deviation. Deviation is negative 3. Okay, let me put it in bracket, multiplied by ratio squared, that is 3 squared. What is middle part? 3 times deviation squared. What is deviation? Negative 3. Negative 3 squared multiplied by what is ratio? 3. Now right part is deviation cubed. What is deviation? Negative 3 cubed. Now let us calculate further. 2 multiplied by negative 3, that is negative 6. 2997 minus 6 is 2991 multiplied by 3 squared is 9. 3 multiplied by positive 9 is 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. 27 3s are 81. Now right part, negative 3 cube. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. This is positive 9 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 27. So write negative 27. Let us calculate further. 9 ones are 9. 9 nines are 81. Write 1. Carry 8. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. Write 9. Carry 8. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8, 26. Now we have calculated all of the 3 parts. Now it is time to balance middle part and right part. To balance, let us count number of zeros in the real base. How many zeros are there in the real base? 1000. 3 zeros. It means that, friends, we need to have 3 digits in the right part and 3 digits in the middle part. But we have 2 digits in both of these parts. It is an example of deficit digits. Okay, it means that right part is deficient by 1 digit because we need to have 3 digits, but we have 2 digits. This part is deficient by 1 digit and this part also is deficient by 1 digit. So let us write 1 0 at the left of existing digits. Here also let us write 1 0 at the left of existing digits. Yes, now we have 3 digits in middle part and 3 digits in right part. Okay, now let us write answer. 2997 cube is left part 26919, middle part 081, right part 0 negative 27. So in this example also our answer is in the form of vinculum number. Okay, so let us convert it into normal number. So 2997 cube equal to, so 269198, correct? Let us write these digits up to 8 as it is. Now this 2 and 7 are negative digits. 0 is previous to negative digit. So let us consider this 1 with this 0, that is 10. Lessen this 10 by 1. Lessen this 10 by 1, it is 9. Correct? 10 minus 1 is 9. Ekanyunena purvena. 10 minus 1 is 9. Let us write 9 here. Don't forget to write 0 here. Otherwise you will miss correct answer. It doesn't mean that when you subtract 1 from 10 and you will write 9 only. Write 0 also. That means 2 digits must be there in place of these 2 digits. Okay, now let us apply Nikhilam Sutra. all from 9 and last from 10. 9 minus 2 is 7 and last digit 7 to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is our answer, friends. 26919080973. Last example, fifth example is 8009. 8009. Let us calculate cube of this number. So, what is nearest working base for a given number 8009? It is 800. 800. 800 means 8 multiple of 1000. So this 1000 is real base. 1000 is real base. What is ratio of working base to real base? This ratio is 8000 to 1000, that means 8 to 1, that means 8 only. So we are going to use this ratio R equal to 8 in the calculation of left and middle part. What is deviation? Deviation is 8009 minus 8000, that is 9. This 9 is deviation. So left part is given number n. 8009 is given number plus 2 times deviation 9. Okay, let us put this in bracket, multiplied by ratio squared. What is ratio? 8. So write 8 squared. What is middle part? 3 multiplied by deviation d. What is deviation? 9. D squared, that is 9 squared, multiplied by ratio R is 8 in this case. 3 multiplied by 9 squared multiplied by 8. What is right part? Deviation cube. So 9 cubed. So let us calculate further. 2 nines are 18. Okay. 8009 plus 18 is 8027. Correct. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. Multiplied by 8 squared is 64. Correct. Now 9 squared is 81. So 81 multiplied by 3 eights are 24. Correct. 9 cubed is 729. 9 cubed is 729. Friends, please understand, it is very important to know cubes up to 20 or 25 because it will help you a lot in faster calculations. 8027 multiplied by 64. Okay, so let us do rough work here. 8027 multiplied by 60. 513728. 513728. 81 multiplied by 24. 81 multiplied by 24. Use urdhva-tiryak paddhati. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 eights are 32 plus 2 ones are 2. 32 plus 2 is 34. Write 4, carry 3. 8 twos are 16 plus 3 19. So write this 1944 1944 and right part is 7 2 9. Correct. So we have calculated 3 parts, left part, middle part and right part. Now let us balance it. To balance, count the number of zeros in the real base. There are 3 zeros. It means that we need 3 digits in right part and middle part. How many digits are there in right part? 3 digits. So no need to make any changes in the right part. Come to middle part. How many digits are there in middle part? 4 digits. It means that leftmost digit, which is 1, is an extra digit. So let us transfer it to its immediate left. Transferring means adding. So 513728 plus this extra digit 1, okay, which gives us 513729. What is middle part? 944. What is right part? 729. Correct? So let us write answer. 8009 cubed. 8009 cube is right left part 513729. 944729. So answer is 513729944729. Okay, so friends, this is our answer.